If you want to enable and set up the mobile hotspot on POCO C85, then first of all, we need to go to settings. Now, if you want to set it up for the first time, then you want to go to more connectivity options. And then in here we have the portable hotspot, which we can turn on quite easily. After that, once you go here and turn it on for the first time, the next time you want to access portable hotspot, it will be possible through the main menu of settings. As you can see, now it is actually in here, and it is no longer available in more connectivity options. So for some reason, this is how it works. So once we go to the portable hotspot, of course, we can turn it on or off quite easily. But if you want to make some changes, then we can choose Setup Portable Hotspot, where we can find the network name. And if you tap on this eye over here, you can reveal the password. Of course, we can change the password quite easily. You can set it up as you wish it to be set up. And of course, if you made any changes, remember to save them by using this check in the upper right corner. We can also share a QR code if the portable hotspot is activated, so that, of course, if another device can scan the Wi-Fi QR codes, it will be much easier to actually connect to that network. And we have some additional options like, for example, the one-time data limit or the automatic well, the phone can actually also automatically disable hotspot if no device is connected. So that's pretty much it. You should also be able to activate and deactivate hotspot through this control center panel, which I believe is not actually added by default. So you might want to go to edit in here, and then you can try to find the hotspot somewhere among these options. I'm not sure if it's actually is there. There we go, there it is. So we should be able to add it quite easily to this list in here. There we go. And you can easily now activate and deactivate your hotspot with this button in here. So that's all. Subscribe to my channel.